Okay, for this particular phase of installing an Adjustanut, for instance, if I'm going to install the Adjustanut on a guitar that already has strings on it, what I do is I loosen the strings, I get the Adjustanut in there, and I don't put the mounting screws in yet. That's going to be the last step. What I usually do is I usually adjust this thing a little bit before I put the mounting screws in there. So here's how I do that. You might want to zoom in a little bit here. As I tap on these, I know that all the strings are actually touching the first fret because I got these screws up, and so the Adjustanut is adjusted down to lower the strings down. So they're actually all touching the first fret. So for instance, when I touch this, you don't hear a tone, right? But what I do is I start from the center. I'll start with this string right here, and I'll do that, and I notice that this one's buzzing a little bit. I'll turn it. I'll begin to adjust that finger up. Oh, there's a buzz. I go half a turn. Now I got a clean tone, right? Now I'll go to the next one. I usually start from the center and work outward. Let's check this one here. Well, where was the buzz at here? There's the buzz, there's a half a turn. And while I'm doing it, I'm supposed to hold this down. Okay, so the middle two strings are adjusted, they're not buzzing. Now I'm going to go to this one right here. There's the buzz. There's half a turn. Now it's clean. Now I'm going to go to this guy, this string here. Bingo. Little buzz, I'll turn it a little bit more. Now we're clean. Okay, now I'm going to go to the high E. That one's still down. There's the buzz, there's a half turn. A little more. That's clean. Okay, now I'm going to go to the low E and adjust that one. There's the buzz, there's another half turn, and I got it. So I don't know if you can hear that. I'm going to turn this up a little bit. Now the strings are all adjusted up off of the first fret. They're set about right. And now I can go ahead and pre-drill that and run my adjustment screws. And okay, you can back the camera up a little bit. And that's basically that's essentially how I do it on a guitar that's already got the strings in place.